This is the distribution panel of the natural gas generator. The following two aviation plugs will be connected to the signal lines of the parallel cabinet. There are two two-piece circuit breakers with UL certification here. One of the circuit breakers is connected to the battery charger. Another circuit breaker is connected to the cooling water heater. Wiring method of distribution panel. Slide the dust cover upwards to expose the lock hole and open the cabinet door. The incoming bus bar of the distribution cabinet. The three-phase bus bar above is connected to the lower outgoing bus bar of the parallel cabinet with cables. The neutral bus bar will be connected to the neutral bus bar of the parallel cabinet. Ground wire bus bar used for grounding. Each phase bus bar has multiple connection points available for connection. The corresponding ones below are also the neutral wires and grounding bus bars. This is the same as the control cabinet just now. The lower outgoing bus bar of the parallel cabinet. This is connected to the incoming line of the distribution cabinet. Zero line bus bar. This is the grounding bus bar. These two aviation sockets are used for communication between parallel cabinets and natural gas generators. There are a total of 4 sets of aviation plugs, each connected to one natural gas generator. This is also the outgoing bus bar of the parallel cabinet, the same wiring method.